Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Xiaomi CW400 versus the Xiaomi CW300. So if you don't know what these two are, the Xiaomi CW400 is a 4MP 2.5K outdoor camera featuring dual-axis PTZ, 360 horizontal and 160 vertical, f1.6 full color night vision, and 1.66 IP66 weather resistance. The CW300, on the other hand, is a 4MP 2.5K camera with smart full color night vision, AI human tracking, and IP66 rating designed for reliable outdoor surveillance. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with the CW400 here. So the dual-axis PTZ for comprehensive coverage. It has enhanced night vision with f1.6 aperture and supports two-way audio communication. Now the cons of the CW400 is that it is slightly higher in price point and larger physical size. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of the CW300. So the pros of it is that it has AI human tracking for intelligent monitoring, it has compact design suitable for various installations, and it is cost effective in options. Now the cons of it is that it is limited in PTZ capabilities, and it is slightly narrower depth of field. So, which one is right for you? So, you should choose the CW400 if you require advanced PTZ functionality and superior night vision for comprehensive surveillance, and choose the CW300 if you prefer a more affordable and compact camera with intelligent tracking features. So all in all, the CW300 is the better of both of them, considering the price point and the functionality. So for most people, the CW300 is enough. But if you really require advanced PTZ features, you should go for the CW400, which is the minority of people. And that is basically it. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.